Hello guys, welcome to the channel. This video will show you how to share your Google Drive to other people. So if you are want to share your storage here, as you can see, I have 15 gigs of storage. And then if you thinking to share that space, I'm afraid you can't do that. But instead of share the space, what you can do, you can create new folder on your Google Drive, and then, for example, I will write a shared folder. And then you can right click on the shared folder and then click share. And then you can invite someone to get this access to this folder. And then when someone upload any files into that folder, it will consume your storage. So instead of sharing your Google Drive as a whole, you can share a folder following your storage of Google Drive. Okay, that's it. This simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If you please subscribe our channel, or you can just put click thanks on down below. We will really appreciate that. Thank you. Bye bye.